Good morning, everyone. I want to do a very short video about what people consider the natural signs of aging. I often show you people with deficiencies and show you the signs of deficiencies, but what I want to show you today is somebody without deficiencies versus people around the same age, so that you can see that it is not natural signs of aging. They are actually signs of deficiencies and underlying health issues. I'm going to show that to you very quickly here. Here we have three different women, all of about the same age. We have 30 years old, 34 years old, and I believe 28 years old. Now, look at the face of the 30-year-old. She has one deficiency, which is noted along the line of her upper lip, which is called the vermilion line, which is a zinc chloride deficiency. Zinc chloride is a very, very powerful acne fighter, and it's as powerful as of a treatment for acne as adult cystic acne, as minocycline or any other. If you look, you see a couple of little outbreaks of a couple of pimples. It might be hard to see because of the resolution. Try to blow it up a bit and you'll see it more clearly. Correct the zinc deficiency, which is the only deficiency she has, and you will correct the acne issue. This is all that we have to see here. Now here we have a 34-year-old, and hopefully you can see this. There are deep horizontal lines in the forehead. She doesn't look anything like this. If you're on my Facebook, you've seen where I've shown her in before and after photos, and it's quite remarkable, actually, after she nourished her body properly. But at 34 years old, she has crow's feet, prominent lines under her eyes. She even has a wrinkle here on her chin, and you see more of them here. She has melasma going on as well. Another crease developing here. Lots of acne. Of course, she has the zinc deficiency as well, so likely this may be hair products up here. But this, and I know people are going to say it's hormonal. You can call it what you want. If you have a zinc deficiency, you're going to have an issue with acne. So if you have this white vermilion line, you have an acne. You're going to wind up with an acne issue. But even at 34 years old, we can see the skin above the eyes is wrinkled. You see that the creases here in the skin above her eyelids. You can see that the skin is beginning to hang. These are deficiencies. These are not natural signs of aging. Again, it doesn't look anything like this anymore. And this is not critiquing the beauty of these three women. They are all beautiful women. I'm not trying to say anything to the contrary. So now we have a 28-year-old, which I believe is what she was at the time that this photo was taken. It may be hard to see, but she does have horizontal creases. This is not hair. That is a horizontal crease in her forehead. If you zoom in and look at it, there's other creases here as well. We see very prominent creases that are growing here under her eyes. We see vascular convulsions here. That's an allergy or adrenal fatigue. The whites of her eyes are quite blue, so it may be developing adrenal fatigue. There's yellowing in the corner of her eyes, which is a bit of jaundice, liver congestion. We see the enlargement of pores that's present here as well, and the shiny T-zone. So we know she has a sodium phosphate deficiency. She's from Australia. She has the malabsorption crease here under her lip. Not surprising. The agricultural soils in Australia and New Zealand are very poor. They're very nutrient weak. But here you have 28-year-old with all of these signs of deficiencies. Here's somebody 2 years older with one deficiency. Again, zinc deficiency, acne. Anyway, I just wanted you to see all this and understand that when I show you these deficiencies, there are people who are properly nourished with no health issues. Here's a perfect example of a 30-year-old versus a 28-year-old versus a 34-year-old. Not natural signs of aging. I know that's what we've been educated, that wrinkles are just natural signs of aging, and they're not. They're absolutely not, especially not at these ages. As we age, we can lose the production of elastin and collagen, but that can be resolved as well. You can stimulate your production of elastin and collagen and bring it back if you so choose to. If you do it after the sun damage occurs, you're not going to get full recovery. But anyway, I want to keep this under 5 minutes. We're just about at that time, so that's it for now. Fine lines and wrinkles are not natural signs of aging, folks. That's it. Bye-bye.